Hi, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to go over the assignment 1 for Essay 4, which is right here, Essay 4 Assignment 1. Open the document and you will see the content analysis homework. Content analysis is basically a way of analyzing and quantifying information within a text, whether that's a written text, a visual text, or a multimedia text, to see what the relationships are between different ideas and concepts that are being discussed. And it's a really complicated way of saying we're going to look at something and see if what you're writing about and talking about will fit with that. So this is broken down step by step for you. So first off, make a list of adjectives that describe your piece of writing. So adjectives are descriptive words. So describe your remediations, and by remediation I mean your topic for Essay 3, which you'll be writing about also for Essay 4. And if you don't know what a remediation is, please review the Essay 4 assignment sheet. But basically, you're revising your multi-source research paper to highlight a different audience and a different format so that you can persuade different people. So you're going to make a list that describes the political leaning, the content and subject matter, and what kind of audience you think your letter or blog post would appeal to. So some of this may be speculation, some of this may be going back and looking at your essay and seeing what you were actually saying. Then step 2 is to choose 2 newspapers or blogs or online magazines or any sort of source basically where you think you might submit your open letter to the editor, or blog. Step 3 asks you to read 5 to 7 articles or blog posts from each source, and then while you're doing that, highlight key phrases and words that you think go in line with the source's purpose. So what is the source trying to get us to think? What is it trying to get us to do? And then compare your list of adjectives from point 1 to the list of phrases and things that you are underlined or highlighted in point 3. Does it seem like your remediation fits? And what I mean by fits, does it seem like it's in line? Does it seem like it's completely out in left field? And if so, what do you think that means for finding a potential place of publication? So what do you need to submit to Blackboard? Links to 3 of the articles and blog posts you read or analyzed, your list of phrases from point 1, your list of phrases describing the articles and blog posts you read, so from point 3. If you want to, if you highlight something, you can just go ahead and put the text from the article itself in there. And then a 300 to 500 word response and reflection that talks about whether you were able to find a potential home for your remediation, what did you discover as you analyzed the publications, how do you think this will impact your ultimate choice of where you're going to potentially publish your piece. So again, if these things aren't making sense, if you don't know what I mean by remediation, or you don't know what I mean by open letter, letter to the editor, or blog, please go back to Unit 4, take a look at the assignment sheet and the introduction video to make sure that you know what's going on. And then if you have questions, please let me know.